Hello guys, this is me, Mr. Mask, and today, welcome to the 6th episode of Car Talks. Today, I'm going to talk about a very famous car that most of you will know. Yes, I am talking about the Toyota Corolla. So guys, the Toyota Corolla has one of the most remarkable histories in the automotive world, evolving over more than a half century to become the best-selling car nameplate of all time. So guys, this car was first introduced in Japan in November 1966. Its name, like many Toyota sedans, is derived from the Toyota Crown, with Corolla being Latin for small crown. So guys, the first generation of the Toyota Corolla was produced from 1966 to 1970. The initial Corollas were subcompact, rear-wheel drive cars, recognized for their straightforward design, reliability, and affordability, played a significant role in the motorization of Japan. So guys, by 1974, the Corolla had become the best-selling car worldwide. So guys, the early 1970s saw the introduction of performance models outside the US, like the Corolla Levin and Sprinter Trueno, which featured the first twin-cam engines in the line. So guys, while the standard sedan switched to a more modern front-wheel drive FWD layout, the sporty liftback and coupe models, particularly the GTS, known by its chassis code AE86, retained the rear-wheel drive RWD layout. The AE86 is now a legendary car, especially in motorsports and drifting culture. So guys, by the 7th generation, produced from 1991 to 1995, the Corolla had grown in size and styling to fully enter the compact car class, moving out of the subcompact category. The design became more rounded and aerodynamic. So guys, in 1997, the Corolla surpassed the Volkswagen Beetle to become the world's all-time best-selling automobile nameplate. So, later generations focused heavily on solidifying the Corolla's reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and low cost maintenance, making it a globally popular, practical vehicle. So guys, the 9th generation, produced from 2003 to 2008, saw further size and power increases, adopting features and styling reminiscent of the larger Toyota Camry, appealing to a broader family market. So guys, modern generations, starting with the 11th and 12th, introduced contemporary design language, more advanced transmissions like the CVT, and essential safety technologies like the Toyota Safety Sense suite. So in 2021, Toyota reached the incredible milestone of over 50 million Corollas sold worldwide. So guys, the current Corolla 12th generation is offered in various body styles, including sedan, hatchback, and the popular Corolla Cross compact SUV, along with hybrid options and the high-performance GR Corolla Hot Hatch, showing a continuous evolution in performance and market diversification. So guys, in short, the Corolla's success lies in its consistent ability to produce reliable, affordable, and economical transportation, while adapting to its size, technology, and styling to meet the changing demands of a global market over 12 generations. So guys, like, share and subscribe, comment. Okay, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.